Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to STEM Education. Dear students, we are reading 5+ English and our today's topic is My Family. आप सब बच्चों ने मेरे साथ मिलकर इसको पढ़ना है. My name is Ali. This is my family. My father is a doctor. My mother is a housewife. I have one brother and one sister. My grandparents also live with us. I love my family very much. Good. Tick the correct sentence and cross the wrong one. Ali has 2 brothers. It's a wrong sentence. His mother is a doctor. No, his mother is a housewife. So, this sentence is wrong. His father is an engineer. This sentence is also wrong. Write a few sentences about your family. Dear students, आप यहाँ पर अपनी फैमिली के बारे में कुछ सेंटेंस लिखेंगे जैसा कि अली ने अपनी फैमिली के बारे में बताए हैं.